Welcome back to another monthly review. Car tried to literally grenade itself. I'll attach the video at the end. It felt like the transmission slipped out of gear. I have absolutely no idea what went on. The rear diff groan since then has gotten much worse, but the car did run pretty strong. It ran a 12.4 first run out the gate, which I was quite pleased with and impressed with. Dropped the tires to 18 in the back, running 275 wide street tires, of course. Firestone Indy 500s. Great tires. Absolutely love them. Couldn't say enough. Need to get a set for the front because the fronts are pretty much done. And the Firestones have been just unbelievably impressive. A few things to go over. I did do the wing removal last month. I got most of the silicone cleaned up. And I do have a wing sorted to go back on, which I'm pretty excited to share, and we'll be sharing very, very soon. Took the trailer to the track, which was amazing. I'm super excited about that because it allowed me to remove anything and everything from my car, which ran really, really well. My mile per hour was down, which I need to unlock it. I want to show you guys something. Oh, I love this freaking app. Touch ID, come on, give it to me. Boom. Progress. We'll give it a moment. So the car is running really well. One thing I will say I noticed, and this might be my paranoia, but afterwards, after the motor did its thing, it ran better. It actually ran better. I was a little confused. I got better fuel economy afterwards driving out because I left the track late and then I booted across Toronto to the other side of Toronto. And it was just a really long late night, but the car actually got better fuel economy. Somebody explained that to me. I have no idea. Stow and Show, still one of the best mods ever. I can keep my crappy plate, but remove it for all the fun stuff. 5mm spacers in the front, still doing a great job. I'm going to get another set made for the back, of course. Dive planes, my goodness, they definitely cut down on my mile per hour. I lost 1 to 2 miles per hour top speed. That's a given. Inside here, the Camaro sill plates, that's what they currently look like. Yeah, they're not great. So this will be going in and I will be getting those replaced under warranty. Car's sitting about 60,000 k, just south of 60,000 kilometers. I've been talking to Corsa about an exhaust system, which could be a good thing. I would love it if some of you guys would just go leave comments on Corsa stuff saying they want to see, you guys want to see what I can do with a Corsa system. I've been planning exhaust videos for almost a year. I just need to get a company to put a system on that I can finish and put it together. So yeah, that's the car. She's incredibly dirty. We're getting a huge thunderstorm tomorrow and I'm not really in the mood to clean it, so I will do so afterwards. I'm hoping next week we have some nice weather. I could drop the car off for a couple days, get the transmission flushed and the shutter resolved, get the rear diff fluid flushed, get the groan resolved. Aside from that, she runs great. She's an unbelievably amazing car. I love this thing to absolute bits, and I can't say enough great things about it. Does it have hiccups? Absolutely, but every car does. As far as the ones that I'm having, they're solvable. They are covered by GM, and so much good stuff to come. I'm pretty excited about the wing. Camaro Nationals is coming up June 9th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. I'm there on the 8th, and then I'm hoping to hit up another show on Sunday. So much to go over, but that is the car. Let me know what you guys think, anything you want to see, anything you're concerned about. Brakes will be doing in the fall. She was getting to the point she's going to need a brake job. The ACS composite stuff just absolutely sets this car off. I had a wild time going out to Montreal and back in a day. We logged just about 1,200 kilometers in about 12 hours total, and she was a beaut, an absolute pleasure to spend time in. So that's it. Car season has started, race season has started, everything has started, and we're going to get to it. Hope to see you guys at some meets, hope to meet some new faces, hope to see some of the returning faces. Oh, it looked like there was dirt inside the light there, just where the plastic was sitting. So yeah, it's going to be a good year. Let's get this summer started. Hopefully the weather warms up. It's still quite cool. And racing, I want to do so much racing. It's going to be a good time. Till next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.